Transform your small backyard. 100 inspiring ideas for a beloved green paradise. Welcome to a haven for nature enthusiasts, gardening aficionados, and anyone who cherishes the tranquility of serene landscapes. This dedicated space is designed to cater to all who find solace and joy in the beauty of our natural world. Here, we offer a rich collection of immersive videos showcasing an eclectic array of garden styles that span across diverse environments and aesthetics. Whether you're drawn to the vivid colours of blooming flower gardens, the fragrant allure of herb gardens bustling with culinary potential, or the minimalist elegance of tranquil Japanese gardens, there is something here to captivate your senses. Our videos are meticulously crafted to transport you into these verdant sanctuaries, allowing you a momentary escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Picture yourself wandering through a garden where vibrant blossoms play a symphony of colours against a backdrop of lush greenery. The gentle rustling of leaves and the soft buzz of pollinators create a soundtrack that soothes the soul. Then, step into a thriving herb garden where the air is filled with the invigorating scents of basil, lavender, and thyme, inviting you to imagine the culinary adventures that await. For those seeking serenity in simplicity, our explorations of Japanese gardens will be a treat. These spaces are designed with careful attention to detail, where stone paths lead to quiet ponds reflecting the sky, and carefully pruned trees invite introspection and mindfulness. In these gardens, the understated beauty and harmonious design elements work together to create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. But our journey doesn't end there. We also venture above the urban jungle to discover rooftop sanctuaries that offer a unique blend of nature and metropolitan life. These elevated gardens provide a quiet retreat high above the city's commotion, where greenery and skyline meet in a harmonious embrace. The sight of a garden amid rooftops is nothing short of inspiring, offering a fresh perspective on how urban dwellers can connect with nature. Each video we present is more than just a visual experience. It's an invitation to pause, breathe, and appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds us, even in the most unexpected places. Through calming visuals and ambient sounds, we hope to inspire a deeper connection to the earth and a greater appreciation for the myriad forms that gardens can take. Whether you're seeking ideas for your own garden projects or simply wish to unwind by experiencing nature's wonders, this space promises to be a source of inspiration and peace for everyone who visits.